Hi everyone, I have some awesome news. Next Generation Maker Challenge 2018 is starting just in few weeks. Stay tuned for the rest of the video to check the prizes, all the rules and who's supporting this challenge. If you don't have any young makers around you or you cannot participate in this challenge, I will really appreciate if you can share this video in all your social media, so the more people know about it, the more gonna enter, and we have a huge fun watching the young makers making some nice and awesome stuff. I already can't wait to see all the entries, so remember to keep on making and pass on making to the next generation. To find all the info about my challenge, please go to my website kkmake.uk. Over there, the first position in the menu is home, the second will be the Next Generation Making Challenge 2018. Click there and you'll have all the rules, supporters and prizes there. So first, the rules. Make something in your shop with someone that is no more than 16 years old. Any kind of making is allowed, so whatever you can make and want to pass it to the next generation, it is allowed. If you are a young maker with your own YouTube channel already, you can make something on your own. Record a video of this process. Try to edit it to be less than 10 minutes long. Put Next Generation Making Challenge 2018 in the title, or you can use hashtag NGMC18, but then put full name in the description of the video. Post the video to YouTube between 1st of June and 31st of July. You have full 2 months to enter this challenge. Send a link to the video with your address to karol@kkmake.uk or using any social media to reach me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page and follow me on Instagram. It will be great if you do the same with the supporters. Share this video. If you cannot participate, please share it with your friends and family, and maybe you can think of someone that can enter and win some prizes. Sharing will help me a lot, and thank you in advance. Random winners will be drawn after 1st of August. Can't say specific date, it will be somewhere on the beginning of August. The supporters of this challenge are Evolution, Tightbond, Yorkshire Grid, Mano Mano Co UK, Trent and Bessie. I would like to really thank everyone who support this challenge and also this making community. You will find details of every company, links to their websites and social media under the logos. So please go there and check them out and also support our supporters. Prizes. Evolution R210 CMS multi-purpose compound miter saw. This prize is available mainland UK and Ireland only. If you want to know more about this saw, you can find the link here and go to the website where you find more information. 10 sets of 2 glues. Each prize will contain 1 bottle of Tightbond quick and thick multi-surface glue and also all-purpose white glue. And there will be 10 prizes like that. They're available UK only. If you want to know more about these glues, you have information in the links below. There is a 1 can or 1 tin of Yorkshire Grid, and it's available worldwide. There will be also 5 prizes of Trent tool and bit cleaner. They're also available UK only, and also more information over here. This is amazing tool cleaner. I used it for over a year now, and it's amazing, and it's also environmentally friendly and non-toxic. Great stuff. Mano Mano is donating 4 faithful 12-in-1 multi-tools, and there will be a laser engraved with Mano Mano logo, my logo, or my name, and also the winner's name. And if you have a small logo or something, it can be engraved with your logo as well. Bessie is donating 2 sets of 2 Bessie gear clamps, GK30. They're the first and one-of-the-kind gear clamps, and only available at Bessie. So there are 4 to be won, but there will be 2 prizes, and each prize will contain a pair of these clamps. And last but not least, a set of 2 Bessie parallel clamps, KRE100-2K. They're the new generation clamps. 2 Bessie KRAS adapters for different angles. If your boards that you're clamping are not parallel, this is great. And also a Bessie KBX20 extender, which will allow you to connect 2 clamps and make it twice as long. Of course, all the details of the products are available here. Bessie clamps are available worldwide, as well as the multi-tool. You can find the logo if you want to share on your social media. There is a logo of this challenge that you can use as well. I'd like to thank again all the sponsors for donating the prizes, and please share this video. I can't wait to see all the entries. Thank you again, and see you soon. Take care.